For thousands of years, we have grown food in the dirt. But now, a high-tech rival is taking over the world: hydroponics. The question is, if you were starting a business today with a small budget, which one should you choose? Should you stick with the ancient wisdom of the soil, or invest in the liquid gold of hydroponics? Today, we are doing a head-to-head comparison on cost, speed, and most importantly, profit. Let's settle this debate once and for all. Round 1. The setup cost. Soil is the king of low-cost entry. You only need a pot, some good dirt, and sunlight. It is forgiving and cheap for a beginner to start in their backyard. Hydroponics, however, is like building a laboratory, requiring pumps, pipes, sensors, and special nutrients. The initial investment can be 5 to 10 times higher than soil. For beginners starting on a budget, soil is much easier on the wallet. Round 2, speed, and in business, time is money. This is where hydroponics destroys the competition. Because roots sit directly in a nutrient-rich water solution, plants don't have to search for food, growing 30 to 50% faster than soil-grown plants. In the same space, you can harvest your crops twice as often. This means double the turnover and double the sales in a single year, making hydroponics a speed machine for vegetables. Round 3, control and risk. Soil acts like a buffer, holding moisture if you forget to water, but it also brings pests and diseases. Hydroponics is a closed system with no weeds or soil-borne bugs. However, if your pump fails or power goes out, your entire crop can die within hours. It requires 24/7 monitoring, where one small mistake can cost you everything. Soil is safer. Hydroponics is cleaner. So, which is more profitable? If you have zero experience and a tiny budget, start with soil to learn how plants behave first. But if you want a scalable business in an urban area, hydroponics is the clear winner. You can grow vertically, use 90% less water, and harvest year-round. Most modern agro-millionaires choose hydroponics because it turns farming into a predictable high-speed factory. Whether you choose the dirt or the water, the most important thing is to start. The world needs more food, and local farming is the future of business. Which side are you on? Team Soil or Team Hydro? Tell me why in the comments below. I've put a beginner's guide for both systems in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Business Ideas English for more ways to grow your wealth. See you in the next video.